Hi, this is your Ate Ying again. Let's continue our storytelling. Hi to my new friend. Yeah, disclaimer, I have to speak in English so that she can understand the idea that I'm teaching. Okay. So, in this video, I want to tell you how to hack your energy so that the manifestation will come. Okay? So, for me, every day, the setting of intention is very briefly. I'm not doing it all the time because in my past experience, it will burn you out. So manifesting is moment by moment energy. Okay, the frequency that you are emitting in this moment is the manifestation that will come. Of course, with bigger goals, bigger desire. Of course, since we accept already that there is a time in order for us to manifest the things that we want. Of course, that's the reason why our manifestation takes time. But if we accept that we can manifest it in an instant, and we believe that we can do it in an instant, of course, the universe will give to us our desire in an instant. Okay? So, in this video, I'm going to share to you some of the tools. What are the tools? Okay? The tools are visualization, first affirmation for me, affirmation, and then visualization. In affirmation, you have to do it in the present moment, and you have to be in the state or in your self-concept that you are that person. Like for example, I know all this stuff, I know all this thing will work advantageously to other people. I know I can teach you this. That's why I'm doing the video. So I am aligning my mind, body, and soul to be a teacher in the YouTube. Okay? So always keep in mind, you cannot have what you don't have. That's the number one. It's like a mantra that I'm telling. If there's something that I want that I cannot manifest, I want to manifest it, but I cannot see it in my 3D reality. So if I can't see it in my 3D reality, it means that I have to do something inside your inner state. Okay? So how to know how to hack that energy? So you have to set the intention and then just leave it there. Forget about it. That's the very good. Just do your thing for the day. Like for example, if you want to manifest a call from your employer, okay, visualize them that they are calling you, okay, in a happy feeling. Okay, that, wow, it would be nice if they call me this one, such and such, that way. And then after that, do your own thing. Okay, maybe you go shower, you go beautify yourself, so that when the employer call you, uh, you feel good with yourself, you will align the job. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope this will help you, friend. Bye.